Hey there, food lovers! Get ready to grab your hard hats. We made the most creative gingerbread house ever. Want to know how we construct it? Grab your aprons and head to the kitchen to get started. As we prepare to dive into our delightful gingerbread adventure, let's take a moment to collect all the essential supplies first. You'll need a few essential ingredients: flour, sugar, spices, and molasses. Don't forget the butter. It gives the gingerbread its delicious richness. For decorating, the sky's the limit. Think colorful candies, pretzels, sprinkles, anything goes. A trusty rolling pin is a must-have for rolling out the dough. Cookie cutters will help you shape the perfect gingerbread walls and roof. And don't forget parchment paper to prevent sticking. Once everything is gathered, you'll transform your kitchen into a gingerbread wonderland. Now for the fun part, baking. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into the building blocks of our gingerbread house. Start by combining the dry ingredients. You'll need flour, ginger, cinnamon, and a pinch of cloves. These spices give gingerbread its signature warm and festive flavor. Measure them accurately for the best results. Cream the butter and sugar in a separate bowl until light and fluffy. This step is crucial as it incorporates air into the mixture, giving gingerbread a tender texture. Use a hand mixer or stand mixer for the best results. Next, add the molasses and an egg. The molasses adds a rich, deep flavor and gives the gingerbread its characteristic dark color. The egg helps to bind everything together, ensuring your dough holds its shape. Gradually mix the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until a smooth dough forms. Take your time with this step to ensure everything is well combined. The dough should be soft but not sticky. Wrap the dough tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour. This resting period allows the flavors to meld together and makes the dough easier to handle. Chilling the dough also helps to prevent it from spreading too much during baking, ensuring your gingerbread house pieces maintain their shape. While the dough is chilling, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures your oven is at the perfect temperature when ready to bake. Once the dough is chilled, roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about a 1/4 inch thickness. Use your trusty cookie cutters to cut out the pieces for your gingerbread house. Be sure to cut out doors, windows, and any other decorative elements you want to include. Place the cutout pieces on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake until they are lightly golden, about 10 to 12 minutes. Keep an eye on them to prevent overbaking. Let the gingerbread pieces cool completely on a wire rack. This cooling period is essential as it allows the pieces to firm up, making them easier to assemble into your gingerbread house. Once cooled, the fun begins, decorating and assembling your festive creation. The moment we've all been waiting for: assembly. This is where the magic truly begins, transforming simple pieces into a festive masterpiece. Whisking powdered sugar, meringue powder, and water together prepares royal icing and edible glue. This mixture is the secret to a sturdy and beautiful gingerbread house. This will hold your gingerbread house together like magic. Ensure the icing is thick enough to act as a strong adhesive, but not too thick that it becomes difficult to work with. Start by gluing the sides of the house to the base. This foundational step is crucial for the stability of your structure. Hold each piece in place for a few seconds to allow the icing to set. Patience here will pay off, ensuring your walls stand tall and firm. Next, attach the roof panels, creating a charming A-frame. This part can be a bit tricky, so take your time to align everything perfectly. Use leftover icing to add decorative details like icicles along the roofline or a charming chimney. Remember, patience is key. These little touches bring your gingerbread house to life, adding character and charm. Allow each section to dry completely before moving on to prevent any unfortunate collapses. This drying time is essential for the integrity of your gingerbread house, ensuring it stands proudly throughout the holiday season. Now comes the fun part: decorating. Gather an assortment of candies, sprinkles, and edible glitter to adorn your gingerbread house. The more colorful and varied, the better. Use gumdrops, candy canes, and chocolate buttons to create windows, doors, and pathways. Let your creativity shine as you design each element. Use a piping bag to add delicate icing designs for a more intricate look. Swirls, dots, and lines can transform your house into a winter wonderland. Once decorated, let your gingerbread house sit for a few hours to ensure everything is set. Place it in a prominent spot where all can admire it. Your culinary castle is now complete, a testament to your creativity and patience. Enjoy the festive spirit it brings to your home. We've just stepped into the most thrilling part: Get ready for a spectacular journey where a world of decoration awaits. Now comes the most exciting part, unleashing your creativity. This is where your gingerbread house truly comes to life. Use royal icing to create snow-covered rooftops, whimsical windows, and even intricate gingerbread men. Candy canes make perfect fence posts, while gumdrops add pops of color. Get playful with textures. Pretzel sticks become rustic log cabins, shredded coconut resembles fresh snow, and crushed candy canes add a sparkly touch. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your imagination soar. This is your chance to create a gingerbread house that's uniquely yours. We're almost there, just a few exciting final touches to make. Get ready for the finishing touches. Let's make this remarkable moment shine. To elevate your masterpiece from simple to spectacular, add some final flourishes. Sprinkles scattered like confetti create a festive touch. A dusting of powdered sugar adds a magical, snowy effect. For an extra special touch, incorporate edible glitter for a touch of sparkle. Remember, there are no rules for decorating gingerbread houses. Let your creativity guide you and have fun with it. The most essential ingredient is your imagination. So add your personal touch and make your gingerbread house genuinely unique. Get ready to embark on a delicious adventure. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of gingerbread houses, where creativity knows no bounds and the holiday spirit comes alive in the most delightful way. We're about to dive into the magical world of gingerbread houses. Picture this: the aroma of freshly baked gingerbread filling the air, the sight of colorful candies and icing ready to bring your edible masterpiece to life. It's a tradition that brings joy to all ages. Forget store-bought kits. This is about pure, unadulterated creativity. Why settle for pre-made pieces when you can design every detail yourself? From the shape of the house to the tiniest candy decoration, every element reflects your imagination. Imagine aromatic gingerbread walls, frosting snowdrifts, and candy cane fences. The possibilities are endless. You can create a cozy cottage, a grand mansion, or a whimsical castle. Your creativity is the only limit. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a curious newbie, this guide will help you craft a gingerbread house that's as unique as you are. We'll walk you through every step, from mixing the dough to adding the final touches. And don't worry, we have plenty of tips and tricks to make the process fun and stress-free. So, roll up your sleeves, put on your chef's hat, and let's get baking. Gather your ingredients, preheat your oven, and get ready to create something truly special. This is more than just baking. It's an opportunity to bond with loved ones and make lasting memories. This is your chance to let your inner architect run wild and create a gingerbread masterpiece that will make everyone say, "Wow!" Experiment with different designs, try new decorating techniques, and most importantly, have fun. After all, the best part of making a gingerbread house is the joy it brings. Get ready for some serious holiday fun. Whether baking with family and friends or alone, the experience will be filled with laughter, creativity, and holiday cheer. So, let's get started and make this holiday season the sweetest one yet. Now is the moment to showcase your incredible edible creation. Congratulations on your achievement. You've created a gingerbread house that's edible and a work of art. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Snap a photo of your creation from different angles to capture its unique charm. Post your photos on social media and tag us. You can even share your creations in the comments below. We can't wait to see your fabulous creations. Your gingerbread house will inspire others to embrace their inner bakers and get creative in the kitchen. Embrace your sweetness and let your creativity soar in the kitchen. Keep baking up those delicious delights. Thank you for joining us on this delightful gingerbread adventure. We hope you had as much fun creating your edible masterpiece as we did sharing our tips and tricks. Baking is about experimenting, having fun, and creating something unique. So don't let this be your only gingerbread adventure. Keep experimenting with different flavors, decorations, and designs. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. Most importantly, remember to share your sweet creations with the world. If you enjoy our take on the most creative gingerbread house ever, give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more sweet treats. Also, ring the notification bell for updates on upcoming Christmas desserts. Thank you for watching. Until our next adventure, happy baking!